Make design uploading process, product uploading process a fun, a loving process. Because if you are having the fun while doing this work, you're gonna get the results, because it's all about the energy games. Think about the time when you were having the fun and how does it makes you feel. You are so happy, you're so excited about it, you wake up every single day thinking about it, that I'm gonna do this or I'm gonna be that. And it makes you feel like oh, wow, this is an amazing feeling. So how you can make this design uploading process, product uploading process, research, print on demand store, or any kind of online business that you're doing a fun. Instead of just focusing on the sales, just focusing on the money, enjoying the process along with getting the results. Today I'm going to talk about a different topic, because it's very important to have the fun, to love the process. Because if you're not loving the process, you're going to give up, because it's a long game. And I'm here to help you guys and support you in this journey, in this process, as we are going together to build our dream business, or build our business that provides us more freedom, more passive income, and overall more happiness and more peace. Hello you guys, welcome. I'm Pashvik. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. If this something resonates, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I have a lot of the courses, products, planners, ebooks, audiobooks, all sort of stuff are there. The links are in description. Some are free products, some are paid product. You can very well check them out. I have the courses on Zazzle, ebook on the Zazzle, Creative Fabric, Teepublic, Teachers Pay Teachers. I have an entire Zazzle bundle if you're interested. I have a print on demand bundle. All the links are in description. Also, I have links to some tools that you can use to do the research, find the right kind of product, niche, design. Links are in description. Okay. So how can you make this process of design uploading, niche research, finding right niche, product uploading process, print on demand, store, maintenance stuff, all that stuff, jazz, social media marketing, whatever stuff you're doing in your business, print on demand store, whatever, how to make it more fun. I'm going to talk about some tips. Hopefully it's going to help you. The first thing first is to put the things that you love in this part of the business first. What do you love the most? What do you like the most? Do you like the research more? Do you like the designing more? Do you like product uploading more? Do you like sharing on the social media more? Like, what are the part of the business that you're doing, your store, whatever print on demand store you have, that you are having most fun? What is the most thing that you're doing in the business that's more fun for you? Take a piece of paper, write it down, the things that you are really enjoy doing, the things that you don't enjoy that. So focus on the things that you enjoy doing. And when you wake up in the morning, or when you start your day and you have a schedule for your business, start doing the things that is more fun to you first. Like, I love making these videos, and that's why I make these videos every single day. And that's the first thing that I have on my schedule in the day, to make videos in for my business, for my YouTube channel, or for my social media, whatever. So put that thing first. Because when you focus on the things that you love doing first, and you do those things, you're going to get a dopamine release after doing that thing. And that dopamine release could actually help you go with the task that you don't like that much, you don't enjoy that much, maybe you hate it, maybe it's like more time consuming, maybe it needs more time and energy from you. You can focus on those tasks later. But first, focus on the tasks that you love doing. That's the first thing. The second tip I have for you is take frequent breaks. This is a thing that I'm working on as well. I work for sometimes now of course I work on my own schedule, but when I'm in the zone, when I'm truly in the zone, I work non-stop for 2 hours. I don't take 10 minutes break in between, because I love the process and I'm in the flow and I want to do it. I want to get everything done in those 2 hours schedule. And I work like 2 to 3 hours max in a day right now, not that much. So when I started working, I'm in the flow, I'm 2 hours, I'm going non-straight. So now I want to go 2 hours straight, not straight. So what I want to tell you, to have breaks in between. Have healthy breaks, like a snack breaks, or an Instagram break, or a video break, or a short movie break. Something that's more fun, interesting in between, so you can re-energize your body and brain in between. Maybe having a healthy meal, ice cream, chocolate, whatever break that you want to have. Have frequent breaks. I would recommend you have break after every 30 minutes. Because after every 30 minutes, our brain body needs a work. Yes. And that's why you see when the people are working at the corporate, first 2 or 3 hours or maximum 4 hours in a day, that the work they do nonstop, they focus so much, and after that their energy drops. They are not able to do that much, they are not that productive enough. So that's why having a break is important if you want to work more or you want to do the heavy task in your business. Take breaks after 10 minutes break after every 30 minutes. That I'm also starting with right now. The third thing is I have for you is give yourself rewards. Just like if you have a puppy or if you have a pet at the home, you tell them to do something or behave in a certain way, and they do that task, and then you give them the rewards, right? Just like you give the rewards to your kids. If you finish your lunch, I'm gonna give you chocolate or I'm gonna give you the ice cream. You give them the rewards. Why not give yourself the rewards? Why not? The company and the workers or the employees at the company get the rewards. If you do this task in 10 days, you'll have a reward to enjoy a spa treatment full day or go to Hawaii, whatever. They give the company's employees rewards. So why can't you give yourself reward? If I upload 10 products today, or if I do the research, or if I do this task, I'm going to give myself a reward. And that reward could be anything that you want, guys. It's very, very subjective, okay? Maybe give a chocolate reward, ice cream reward, maybe go out in the nature, spend some time with the family, with the kids, with the spouse. I don't know, whatever. Whatever you feel like it's more relaxing, more interesting, more fun for you. That could be the reward for you, okay? You decide your reward. Simple. The another thing I want to talk about is focus on the niches that you are really having fun. Like focus on your hobbies, the interest. If you love sports, go have a sports niche in your shop. Don't go with the cooking if you hate the cooking and if you don't enjoy at all. No. Pick up something, pick up the niche or the products that you are really interested in, because every niche sell, every product sell. Now, of course, some sell more than the others, but that's not the case we are talking about here. We are talking about having fun, because if you're having the fun, you're going to get more things done, you're going to get better results, and overall it's going to be better for you. It's not going to be like a work. It's going to be a fun thing that you want to do it. It's going to help you make money, have more passive income, and do whatever you want to do. So pick up the niche that is more interesting, more fun for you, and remove the ones that is not interesting that much, if that make any sense. The last thing that I want to have for you, the last thing that I want to say, celebrate your small achievements. Celebrate your achievements, big or small. This is a game changer. Now, you don't need to only celebrate if you make $100 in your business or $1,000 in your business mark, or you become a pro seller on Zazzle. No. You're celebrating every small achievements. You upload 20 new products, you open a new store, you share it on social media. Great job. Good achievement. You make one sale a day, or you make $10 today. Great achievement. Celebrate that. Now, how to celebrate? It's totally subjective. Whatever makes you feel like you're celebrating, whatever it is for you. For me, it's like just having fun, going with my own flow. Nothing specific like I'm going to do this. Anything that I want to celebrate with, whatever it is. So hopefully these tips will going to help you having more fun in your print-on-demand store journey, in your online business journey. Let me know if this content resonates. If you have any questions, any queries, let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.